Все катера противника уничтожены. Из штатного вооружения российского корабля...
Russia's defense ministry said on May 23 that the Russian warship Ivan Kurs had been attacked unsuccessfully by 3 Ukrainian uncrewed speedboats in the Black Sea, on the approaches to the Bosphorus Strait. In a statement posted on Telegram, the ministry said the warship had been protecting the Turk Stream and Blue Stream gas pipelines, which carry gas from Russia to Turkey, partly across the Black Sea, and continues to fulfill its tasks. No comment was immediately available from Kiev. The ministry cited the attack as a justification for Russia expanding defensive measures. Explosions last September damaged the Nord Stream 1 and 2 pipelines bringing gas from Russia under the Baltic Sea to Germany. The Russian statement appeared likely to raise tensions in the Black Sea, where Russia only agreed last week, one day before deadline, to extend a deal allowing Ukraine to export grain safely from its seaports. Turk Stream carries gas from Russia's Taman Peninsula west across the width of the Black Sea to a point west of the Bosphorus.
Безуспешная попытка атаковать 3 беспилотными быстроходными катерами корабль «Иван Хурс» Черноморского флота, выполняющий задачи по обеспечению безопасности функционирования газовых трубопроводов «Турецкий поток» и «Голубой поток» в исключительной экономической зоне Турецкой Республики.